Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. Mixed day on the indices. The SPY open higher, close lower, red candle, lower volume. The support continues to hold, which is the 80 MA and the 50 SMA. These two are a must. And then eventually it's near the all-time high. However, it could be making a lower high. So any lower opening, do expect a retest of the 50 SMA. On the other hand, if it blows through the 525, then we're looking for a retest of resistance. We are into all-time high. 533 and 540. Support again, 80 MA, 50 SMA, 508, and then below that 501 and 492. PLNT, I like this volume. I like the potential breakout. This one is a bit volatile, but technicals are bullish, or at least pointing to some bullish move. Earnings behind, which that's where we saw this reversal signal on Thursday. I'm looking for 70, 76, and 82. Swing idea, support 65 and the 200 SMA. Qualcomm, I like this one a lot. I wrote an article, please go read on the blog, with regards to AI. This one has a lot of potential. Good consolidation, volume breakout a couple of weeks ago. I'm looking for 196, 208, and 220. Support is the 80 MA and 175. WRBY. This one is a swing, working well. A bit of a scare on Friday. It reversed and going higher today. Volume is strong. Look at the volume today alone. And so 3 past days, big volume, lots of buying. And I'm looking for 1650, above that 1760 and 1880. Support, because of its volatility, let me see, keep it the same, 1490 and 14. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.